In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assignees in ClickUp and assign tasks to team members. This process is essential for ensuring that the right people are allocated to specific tasks, helping you to stay organized and efficient. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to go to clickup.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your login details and successfully signed in, you'll find yourself at the ClickUp main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space if you're new. It's the central hub where all your projects come together, and from here, you'll be able to manage everything with ease. Now, once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the desired workspace. Think of your workspace as the collection point for your projects. Basically, an organizational space where everything is neatly held together. Just as you would choose a physical desk or office, you select a workspace within ClickUp. With your workspace opened, it's time to choose the specific project you want to manage. ClickUp's project organization lets you focus on particular tasks and subtasks without getting overwhelmed by your entire to-do list. This focus helps keep priorities clear and manageable, ensuring each phase of a project gets the dedicated attention it needs. Now that you've chosen the project you're working on, look for the assignee option. You'll notice there's a blank image option, which is where you can begin assigning tasks to your team. This might seem like a small step, but it's the doorway to ensuring everyone knows what they need to do, bringing clarity and accountability to your team's workflow. After this, in the assignee section, select the members you want to assign the task to. Here, you'll see a list of potential assignees, which should include everyone who is part of your project. Simply click on the names of the team members who are appropriate for the task. It's important to consider each person's availability and expertise to ensure you're delegating effectively. This ensures tasks are completed efficiently and to a high standard. And there you have it. Assigning tasks in ClickUp is as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you'll have set clear paths for your team members, making your project management smoother and more aligned. This process not only relieves stress from wondering who does what, but also empowers your team members by giving them ownership of their tasks. So remember, efficient task management via assigning tasks effectively can really boost productivity and morale within your team. Thanks for joining me in today's instructional guide on how to add assignees in ClickUp, and I hope you find these steps useful for enhancing your project management skills.